You're so fickle. Such a tease when that calendar turns to March. You start thinking about nicer weather, and then all of a sudden this sort of thing happens. And it's happened a couple times over the last few days. Michelle, what's the latest?
Yeah, our second storm system here for some areas now dropping more than a foot of snow. Much of that falling within the overnight hours between midnight and now 6 a.m. where we've had snowfall rates of up to and at times over 2 inches per hour. So some of the highest totals in far northern Rhode Island, where we picked up over a foot of snow in Gloucester and Burrillville and in Cumberland, Norton at just under 11 inches of snow in Franklin, and Rentham about 13 inches of snow. East Providence outside our studios just measured at 7 inches of snow, and a new report coming in from Bristol of about 6 inches of snow. Well, we are still snowing inland areas with that mix of snow and rain along the coastline. If you're traveling up along any of our interstates, 95, 295 and 195, visibility is reduced. The snow still coming down at a moderate clip, though not quite as heavy as what we had during the nighttime hours. And we are going to see some rapid improvements this morning. This is the back edge of the snow now along 395. Visibility conditions starting to improve some in Westerly, and that will be a trend that happens from west to east over the next 2 hours of the morning. In New Bedford now, after several hours of rain, and to end things with a flip back to some snow, and we're seeing that down into Newport as well. That rain snow line, and this needs to be updated, has collapsed back southward as our storm starts to lift to the north and east. And the visibility sitting at about a mile in Taunton, 2 miles in Providence, and 2.5 in Smithfield, a sign that we're still getting some decent snow falling out there. Winter storm warning in effect until 10 o'clock for most of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, except for the Cape and Islands. So the storm moves away. Our top 3 key things: we'll see some melting this afternoon, but then back into the deep freeze, a cold stretch ahead. And still trying to get back down to the pavement here in North Scituate. The snow falling just too heavy and fast overnight for road crews to keep up with it. They will be able to, though, once we head into the next hour or two this morning. Providence currently outside, it's 32 degrees. This has been a very heavy and wet snow. On top of that, the winds are starting to pick up some out of the north at 16 miles per hour. So some power outages being reported in Newport, and visibility is improved there. 33 degrees in Newport and in New Bedford, 32 in Providence, and we're at 30 in Smithfield. The wind chill, what it feels like when you add in those winds that are about 10 to 20 miles per hour, right around 20 degrees the wind chill in Smithfield, and 21 in Providence. The winds, as I mentioned, coming down out of the north and will turn more to a northwest direction. So it's been very tough commuting conditions this morning. That snow and mix going to be winding down now through about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. In the afternoon, we're mainly dry, mix of clouds and sunshine, and the temperature is up close to 40 degrees, so certainly going to be some melting going on. Here's the center of our storm. Again, going to be pulling away today. Cold air going to follow in its wake as we look at our conditions here through the morning. Hour by hour, by 8 a.m., most of this is over with. Clouds breaking for some partial sunshine this afternoon. We may get a leftover lighter rain or snow shower, but nothing that would cause any significant accumulations. You can see that even into 3 o'clock this afternoon. Then this evening and tonight, we're dry and clear. And as we get past 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, our temperatures will start to drop below freezing, and that has us concerned about the risk of some black ice. So for the rest of the into the afternoon, other than an isolated shower, just a mix of sun and clouds hovering around those upper 30s to lower 40s for temperatures. Tonight, dropping into the teens. At midnight at 19, we'll have spots as cold as 10 to 15 below. Looking at our temperatures right now, look at that off to the west of us, all of that cold air over the Great Lakes and Northern Plains, and that's moving our way. So 28 degrees for your high tomorrow, well below normal through at least Thursday afternoon and Friday morning, and then the temperatures start to moderate by next weekend, back up to near 40. In full forecast throughout the day today, WPRI